We're going to start off in a rendition of music now. We're very pleased and very honoured this evening to be here with Fifita o Tai. Now, Fifita is a Tongan-born mezzo-soprano, graduated in the year 2001 with a degree in opera, stagecraft and voice from the University of Sydney Conservatorium of Music. During this time, she worked alongside some of the world's most famous conductors, such as Maestro Cilario, Richard Bologna, Christopher Hogwood, and Anna has also performed such as Donna Elvira in Nausea di Figaro, and also Johannes Fritz and Carmen from the opera Carmen.
She was exposed to the arts from a very young age at the Atavisi Foundation for Performing Arts in Tonga. Anna teaches choir in high schools and churches throughout Sydney and has been a voice teacher for over 15 years. Over the years, she performs at weddings, birthdays, corporate events, festivals and concerts. So please make welcome Anna Fifita.
Our first song this evening will be entitled Taulanga Nuku'alofa, which is the wharf in Nuku'alofa. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Fifita o Tai. We'll be hearing more from Anna throughout tonight's program.